Magandang hapon po ng September 27, 2025 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong September 27, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong Saturday, September 27, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Saturday, September 27, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, September 27, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for September 27, 2025 Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.